Okay, so I just read something fascinating about the happy-llm project, and it's really changing how I think about big language models.
Oh, for sure. The way they break down the architecture and training of these models is just mind-blowing. What caught your eye?
They start with the basics of NLP, but then they dive deep into transformers. I mean, it's wild to think about how they revolutionized the field.
Exactly. It's like once they introduced that attention mechanism, everything changed. You really can't underestimate its impact.
Right, and I never thought about how each model, encoder-only or decoder-only, has such distinct strengths and weaknesses.
Definitely. It's like having tools in a toolbox. Each one is tailored for specific tasks in NLP, and that's super intriguing.
What really got me was how they emphasize hands-on learning. You literally build your own Llama 2 model.
Wait, so you actually get to implement what you learn? That's amazing. It's like learning to ride a bike instead of just reading about it.
Exactly. And they even walk you through the entire training process, from pre-training to fine-tuning. That gives me chills.
It really helps visualize the whole process. Learning through practical experience like that is the best way to cement knowledge.
You know what's even crazier? They integrate cutting-edge tech like retrieval-augmented generation into their curriculum.
No way. That combines both generative and retrieval methods. Imagine how powerful that could be in real-world applications.
Right? It's like turning these models into versatile agents that can handle complex tasks. That's groundbreaking.
Oh, absolutely. It raises the stakes for what AI can do. But also, could it raise ethical concerns? That's something to consider.
Totally. With great power comes responsibility, right? But how do we balance innovation with ethics?
It's a tricky question. I think ongoing discussions in the field are crucial, especially as these models become more advanced.
For sure. And what about the community aspect? They really encourage collaboration and contributions from everyone.
Yes, it's an open source initiative, so anyone can help improve it. That's such a refreshing approach.
Exactly. It feels like they're building a collective intelligence, almost like a hive mind. Isn't that fascinating?
Wow, yes. Imagine the innovations that could emerge from such collaborative efforts. We're at the forefront of something big.
And to think this all started from recognizing how important NLP is and making it accessible to everyone.
That's what's so inspiring. This initiative can not just boost the field, but empower so many newcomers in AI and ML.
You're right. It's not just about teaching. It's about creating opportunities for people to truly engage.
And speaking of engagement, it leads to practical applications. I'm curious what developments we'll see in the next few years.
Exactly. With more people contributing, the evolution of these models might go faster than we can anticipate.
Totally wild to think about. It's like we're all part of this giant puzzle that's coming together piece by piece.
Wow. And you know, it's moments like this that really make me think, what's the future of AI for everyday people?
Right? Imagine AI becoming a personalized assistant that understands us deeply. It's almost science fiction.
I think we're closer than we realize. And with these new tools, it's even more possible.
Yes, but it's also on us to guide its development thoughtfully. That's where the ethical side again comes into play.
Very true. So I guess the question becomes, how do we ensure that innovation benefits everyone?
Exactly. Let's hope as we dive deeper into LLMs, we foster an inclusive environment that encourages that.
I love that thought. It's all about sharing knowledge and breaking down barriers.
And that starts with conversations like this, sharing discoveries and learning together. How exciting.
Absolutely. So what are you most excited to explore next in this LLM universe?
Oh, that's easy. Diving into how different architectures impact model performance will be eye-opening.
Yes. Plus, I can't wait to see how those applications evolve. It's all so connected.
For sure. I feel like we're just scratching the surface, and there's so much more to come.
Totally. Who knew learning about LLMs would be such a thrilling adventure?
I know, right? Let's keep this dialogue going as we uncover more cool things together.
Definitely. Here's to our learning journey in the expansive world of AI.